In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Binance to Expert option. Now, this is actually very simple. When you are inside Expert option, you want to click on Finances here on the left. You want to click on Deposit down at the bottom left. And then here, there's going to be a list of different payment options. And you want to click on Binance Pay. Now, by far, this is going to be the easiest way. Of course, you could go ahead and send over crypto from Binance as well. However, if you use Binance Pay, that's the simplest and the quickest method of doing so. So click on this. And then here you have to select, of course, which currency you want. I'm going to do USD and I'm going to send $10 over. And then here, if you have any promo codes, you could type those in, press I agree down here and click on pay. Then you'll see your confirmation of your order. And if that's okay, you want to click on proceed to payment. And what this is going to do is it's going to open up the Binance Pay app over here. So the Binance website on your computer. And then from there, you'll be able to execute this. Okay, so there we go. As you can see, it says payment amount here. And then if everything looks correct, you can just go ahead, open up your Binance app, scan your QR code over here, or continue in browser, and you'll be able to make your payment. So that's the first way. Now, the second way over here, of course, if you don't want to use Binance Pay, you could also go here, click on USDT, TON, Bitcoin, Ethereum to actually send via crypto. Select whichever one you want. I'm going to do USD again and 10. And then here, I'm going to do pay. And then again, proceed to payment. And what this is going to do here is you're going to have to select what you want to send over. So for example, if you want to send over, I don't know, Bitcoin, you could do that as well. You can just click on Bitcoin over here. And then you want to basically scan this QR code or use this address over here to send it from your Binance account over to this address, and then you will top up your Expert option account. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.